Hi guys, this is Sarah from Sarah Mack Art, and today I am doing this wonderful collaboration piece with so many attendees from the Fluid Art Boutique that just was held in Delray Beach, Florida. It was an amazing time, and it was so wonderful meeting all of the students and the attendees and those that took my class, and you guys were amazing. You made it so special. And with that has come a collab for the Fluid Art Boutique 2.0 with some of our students who have YouTube channels. And I think actually a couple of the students may not have YouTube channels, but they have created channels and videos to be in this collaboration, which is fantastic. We are super excited to be included. We love you. And yeah, so I am the caboose of this big train. And if you did not see Saturday's premieres with the students and instructors, please, below in the video description box, you will find a playlist. Click on it, watch all of them. They did fantastic jobs. And also earlier today, so this is a 2-day deal. And yeah, so today we actually have 9 or 10 also going, instructors and students. Like I said, I am the caboose, so please be sure to watch that playlist. I can't talk. Send them some love, thumbs up, subscribe to those channels. I know Brian from Upper Valley Artistry, he is like 100 shy of hitting his 3,000 mark. And Brian, best of luck, so well deserved, and for all of you. So we're just gonna get going. This here is an MDF cutout from the Fluid Art Company, and it's of the state of Florida. They had sent us these, and we were so busy that we couldn't get to pouring them while we were down there. So I figured, what better thing to do it than to do it now. So I am actually going to pour on the MDF, and then I'm going to remove it and continue with this 2-piece right here. I'm thinking I'm going to pour it like this. I don't want my paint to roll off of this, so I am going to do it at an angle and go from there. So bear with me. We've got gold, we've got Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. I have Arteza's Prussian Blue as well, and I have Decoart 24K Gold. I have Metallic Cobalt by Art Minds, as well as Artist Loft. I'm sorry, not by Art Minds. This is by Artist Loft. I apologize. Artist Loft Cobalt Blue Metallic. This is Artist Loft Soft Body White Acrylic Paint with some satin enamel in it. And then I have Fluid Art Co.'s very own This Little Piggy Pigment in Velvet, which is absolutely beautiful. So we're going to add that to the pour as well, and go from there. We had a slew of sponsors this time around, and one of our actually our largest sponsor was Fluid Art Co. for our Fluid Art Boutique event, and we are ever so grateful for their sponsorship. Please visit the link below. Also, I have a link to Fluid Art Co., and you can get pigments, Australian Floetrol there, silicone mats, sticks, boom gel, varnish, piggies, absolutely piggies. This is TLP Brulee, which I love. It's got a golden pinky color to it, but we're not using this one today. We are using velvet, but you can get your piggies there. You could shop Amsterdam paints there now, so please check out them as well. So their link is below. I'll be using some Amsterdam paints that they sent me in a couple of pours from now, and go from there. All right, I've talked enough. Let's get to it. We're gonna layer up little cups and do little mini ring pours or straight pours, however I choose to do it. Probably, I'm not gonna pour this in there. I'm just gonna drizzle the gold into the cup because it can be overwhelming. We're gonna follow that up with Prussian blue and then come in with some velvet. Oops, and I'm gonna follow that up with some white. So that is 1 cup. We're gonna do another one. It's a little too much white. I keep forgetting I'm not doing a big cup. So I'm gonna layer these cups up and we'll be back for the pour. All right, so we are ready to go. I've got my 4 little cups lined up there. I'll move them off of here. And I am going to start here. It's beautiful. Love what's going on here. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna tilt this around. Actually, nope. Before we do that, we're gonna give it a torch. I love this area, which is about where Delray was, or is. All right, so I'm just gonna put this here for now. All right, so I'm gonna start right here. This one first. And I'm definitely thinking I'm gonna leave some negative space. or not. It really depends on what's on the canvas. It does dictate it. So I'm just getting this back into kind of the middle. I'm loving this. Oh my gosh. All right. So we're gonna come down here first. The key is to not get any on the other one. I actually want to come in get a little bit of paint right there. And go off here. I'm kind of not wild about this blue area here. So I'm gonna see how far I can get that down and off, preferably. There we go. Bring this back to the middle. And voila. All right, so I'm gonna clean these up and we're gonna bring you guys in just a moment. All right, so there are some lights glaring everywhere, but I am super happy. I'm just gonna turn this overhead light off. Whoa, with the final results. Wow, I'm having some video problems here. But there's like these sweet little, tiny little white little cells in here that I really love, that I know is from TLP because it's happened in another painting that I've done. But I do love the final results with these. I can't wait to see them dry. Ooh, all right, and so here is the state of Florida. I'm loving this area right here. The two different pours coming together. They're so pretty. Get your MDF boards and everything from the Fluid Art Co. They are fantastic. They have a great website, and I cannot tell you or express to you how amazing their customer service is. Also, I'd like to thank all of our sponsors for Fluid Art Boutique. That is, of course, the Fluid Art Company, This Little Piggy Pigments. Thank you, Shelly Crothers. Also, a big thank you to Decoart in Amsterdam, Mixed Media Girl, Mossy Art Studios, Kat Simmons, Hands Off Handles, and Tracy Reed for being our on-site sponsor and vendor. It was amazing meeting you, Tracy. Again, thank you to all the students. Thank you to our sponsors. You've helped make the second FAB a huge success. Have a great day.